guys. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome to another weekly update episode 81. So, this week we have some tons of work we've been we've been doing at the shop, and there are some work we do that I didn't get to show the making, and even the picture. It was very hectic, no even time to snap a picture to show you guys, but we are just going to talk about it. So I will be starting the weekly updates now. I have some clips we filmed down already, and I will be showing you some bags we make, some new design we are working on. So there are some error on it, not like error but complaint that we need to fix, or probably is another one we are going to make. So definitely very soon you guys are going to see one of them. And as you can see, this green bag up here, this particular transparent bag is one of the bag I made. You guys are going to watch a clips after this of me not even making them, after I finish making them, like trying to do some uh finishing touching on the bag. So, and when I show it to the clients, there's some talk back and forth, and we decide to change some things on it, to try some things. And the first one we tried didn't turn out well, but the second one turned out well a little bit, because I discovered the transparent material I use. Once you sew once and you say you want to lose it and do some alignment, it has expand and it don't go back to its normal state before. So that's one of the things you should always note. And again, always listen to your clients, get information from them what they really need, because that really affects me on this particular project. We talk. I thought I understand what she need. Yeah, I understand what she need, but at every stage you should always carry them along. As long as it's a new design, new project, before you finish, you carry them along. Don't go and do whatever you want to do, since you guys have talked before and you understood what they need, and finish it up. They will come back, complain that they don't like this or this didn't turn out well, and the blame is going to be on you. But if you carry them along, even at the end of the day when you finish, if the bag didn't turn out well, blame is not on you. You have to be paid for what you have worked for and what you've made. So enough talking, guys. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. YouTube is letting me to know that 75% of the people that watch this video, that come back to watch this video every day, are not subscribed. So why are you guys not subscribed? Are you not benefiting from the channel and you keep coming back to watch? Nah, I don't think it's that. So please use this time to subscribe. Share this video with people you know it might be of help today. After you finish watching this, leave in the comment section down below what you think. And very soon, good tutorials are going to be coming. We know definitely these days the tutorial we're uploading are not up to what you guys want, apart from the weekly update. But very soon we are going to change the pattern again. We are working on some interesting idea on how to educate you guys more on the YouTube channel. So, but again, for you guys to encourage us, those of you who have not subscribed, need to subscribe. When you subscribe to the channel, you are also encouraging. And when you watch our video and share it, you watch it from the beginning to the end, you guys will encourage us to do better. But once you don't do that, you are just like, we'll look for other platform. YouTube is actually free, but we'll look for other platform which we can post our work there and they pay us, because we are doing this for free. So you guys need to encourage us. When you subscribe to the channel, when you watch our video, you encourage us to do interesting and more complicated work, to show you guys the secret behind those design and those bags and how you make them. Enough talking, let me end the intro here. So watch the clips I filmed before, then I come back to talk about the latest design and some changes we made again, talk about some interesting stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the other side. Bye. So guys, this is what we have been doing. These bags, those ones, as you can see them, and this one, we've been very busy. No time for me to even film. Even now, as you can see, I just finished fixing the gold chain. I'm about to start fixing this black one, and for these ones as well. And we make those one, we make sample of those one, different color in 3 transparent bags. So probably once I finish making this one, I will show you. Even that one I've not fixed the hand. You see the chain on the sofa there, and one of the hand is on the floor. Everywhere is just littered. I've been working for like past 5 days now, no time to film. So probably the picture of the bags we make, if they are still available, I will try my best to post it in this week update. So let me just proceed with my work, and I will see you guys later. So I just finished everything, as you can see from the time lapse. This one, since the sample, I make this chain longer, and this one is a little bit shorter, not short but I think normal. So those are the three prints. I went to market few days ago and get this. We have been very busy at the shop. I didn't get to show you everything, and these ones we just make this new one, the mini, the type we used to make before. These are part of the stuff I ordered for the top. As you can see, we've upgraded our work, both the chain and the lock and everything. And the inside, we use vivet for the inside, so it's not pure black vivet, a kind of harsh vivet, as you can see, but the texture is very soft. It's going to protect your phone and all your belongings. So any of you, if you want this particular design or anything, get in contact with me. My link will be in the description. The WhatsApp is also in the description. So right now, I want to finish everything as much as possible so I can leave and take this to the logistics station, because it's going out today. We have no time to waste. So guys, I will talk to you later. Thank you guys for watching. And if you check, most of the things we have here are empty. The shop is empty inside, but everywhere is just based on this work and other things. The students are not here. We have events. They went there. I was there yesterday, but I didn't go today because of this work. I need to finish it. So they are there. Probably when we continue the weekly updates, you will see everything, and we shall talk more on what we have been up to. Thank you guys for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this project or this weekly update you guys saw, and share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. By the way, again, if you still want our training is also available, pretty well available. Just chat with me. My WhatsApp is in the link in the description, so we can talk and negotiate the price. By the way, next year, as I said, very in few weeks time, our training are going to be available to buy. So you can either stay till next year or start now, but no time to waste. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next clips. So guys, welcome back. I know by now you guys would have seen the clips. You see those bag I make, those one big block, those Ankara, those Ashoki fabrics, Ashoki fabrics one I make. When I was making them initially, it was like 9-day work. We were very busy then. So finish everything, we send it to the client, actually a flight, and she just checked it. I think yesterday she called me, there some complaints. First, before then I sent her a video, she complained about the label that we didn't show it at the center. Those things I was very busy, I was not even around. I gave it to the workers here, and they decided to sew label to one side, which is, if you are watching the bag this way, to the left hand side. So one of the complaints, she also complained about the gum on the body, and I don't think there is much gum on the body that much. But by the way, when you are working with a client, always know what they want. Like on this particular bag now, the budget we gave is to use 1 yard of a chain. You guys see the chain we use, those chains are very expensive. In short, not just the chain, the accessories we use on those bags are very expensive. So I budgeted for 1 yard for each bag, and at the end of the way, when the bag gets to her, she complained that I'm supposed to put 1.5 yards. So where am I supposed to get the money from? You should always talk with your clients, know what they want, and always, if the money is not enough, don't do the work. Never compromise, because the standard and complete. In this situation, I compromise and they are demanding that it's 1.5. Where am I supposed to get money to get the half chain from? And those chains are very expensive, the chain we are talking about. This is one of the bags we make, actually new design. We use a velvet for the inside, a more of like not too pure black ashy velvet, and this is also suede, but they also make complaint about this, that this is not velvet one they are used to. They don't know they are different type and different kind of velvet we use. So, and again, on this particular one, the complaint they made is, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, we saw a label to it before at the front here, the label of the private brand. So they asked me to, they don't want it at the outside here, we remove it, and I was supposed to put inside. But no, this is like a sample design, so there's no way we can dismantle this and fix that. So we'll be leaving this. Maybe next design, if they are still going to work with us, next design probably we're going to put it inside. And this is the initially one we made. So the complaint that was made is the edge here, we didn't put a cord, so we decided to put a cord. We dismantled this actually to use this to see how it will turn with, and this didn't turn out well because we used the transparent plastic on this and it has expanded, which brings it to another problem. But nevertheless, we make another one using this idea. Since we know this turned out a little bit, but we have hope, finger crossed, then hope that it's going to work well for us. Hope that it's going to work well for us. So that's when we work with this particular one. So we are able to make this particular one. As you can see, we now use the cord for all the edges round, and it has a longer chain. And they complain about this chain because there was a bag I make them with a heavy duty chain. They saw the chain and they would requested for the chain. But for the past 8 months now, even I tried to order for that chain. They don't produce that chain again. I don't know how to convince people, because that's the problem. They see something with me that is unique, they don't get other place. They come for me that they want it. I tell them there's no way you can get it. They still plead with me. At the end of the day, we end up not getting it, and it will now turn to a complaint. Always let them know your truthful plan. If you are not going to get something, let them know you can't get it. You should look for other means for them to get. So this is how the bag turns out. As you can see, it now has a cord at the edge round, but no taping inside, because if you want to tape this, you're going to sew it too much, and in this situation, this plastic, you don't want to give it too much stitching for it to damage quick. So this is the best you can do with this particular one. So this is how the bag turns out. You guys have seen the rest, right? And you guys have watched it. And something I make again before all this one I show you, I didn't get to show you, are these 2 envelope bag. If you remember this from a previous weekly update we made back then for, I think, Ashoke, it's a little bit different to this. The handle is a harrow like this, so we've update and customize more and upgrade the design. So to this particular one now, you guys can see how the bottom is, the gold set, and it has a magnetic snap here with a longer strap from the inside, and it is well lined. You guys can see it is well lined. So we make 2 of these, and I think we are going to make more because we have some events to attend and we are going to display this there. Yeah, we attended a event. I think I might put that event. Yeah. I'll put the clips of that event before this video, and maybe after this talk, the whole of the talk, I'm going to put the clip so that you guys watch it, because this is even getting more longer, 6 minutes, and So guys, this is the bag for you. Which of it do you prefer? Which of it do you like? This should I say red, or I don't know what to call this, but it has a print. You see the way it's shiny, a print on the body. Then this ash silver. Which do you prefer? So this is for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I think I'm going to show you the event, so you see a little bit of like a trade fair. So we come back to just end the video, and that is all. Thank you guys for watching. So now I know you guys would have watched that particular trade fair or the event I say I want to show you guys. So you guys have seen the way we just organize a little bit of it, in the way we arrange of our stuff. So those are like unexpected stuff. So we didn't organize it well, but it's also look nice. So you know, there are more to come. There are more to come by God grace. So I'll see you guys in episodes 82 and 83. 82 is probably Christmas. 83 is New Year. We've tried. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, remember to also turn on the post notification bell, so that when we upload a new video or have any update for you guys will be updated. For those of you with the 75% who always watch our video and have not subscribed, please use this time to subscribe. I know there's something you always find useful or you find interesting on the channel. That's why you keep coming back, but you not decide to subscribe. So you can use this time to subscribe to the channel. Leave in the comment section what you think. Share this with people who know it might be of help to them. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in episode 82 and 83, and this year will be the end with an interesting video. And next year, expect very good stuff to come. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now. Don't mind me, I just like smiling at you guys. I wish I can see all you guys' face, but probably I might organize a online event that all of you will show your face and we can talk and share mind together, rub mind together. Probably I will make it known, probably maybe by end of the month, not this month, maybe end of the year, I might organize that. So let me know, guys, if you really want that, if you want us to see each other, different people from different country of the world and people from Nigeria, different people from different states. So you come online, we see each other. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.